Hey guys, in this video I am going to cook cumin rice. In Hindi it is called jeera rice को मैं cook करने जा रहा हूँ और it's going to be delicious, that for sure, because I am cooking and it's going to be simple as well. I don't want to complicate any food, right? I will make as simple as possible but as delicious as possible as well, right? Here we go. Guys, आज हम jeera rice बनाने वाले हैं. ये कर दिया हूँ मैं और थोड़ा सा कम करके इसको गर्म होने देते हैं. तब तक मैं कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट्स बता देता हूँ. दिस इज़ ब्लैक पेपर, क्यूमिन, बे लीव्स, रेड चिली एंड ब्लैक पेपर. Along with that I have onions and this is rice. So first of all, this is mustard oil. एक बार जब ये गर्म हो जाएगा तो फिर मैं ये सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स डालूंगा, है ना. बे लीव्स, ब्लैक पेपर, रेड चिली, क्यूमिन एंड ऑल. When it's hot enough, I can experience it, and it's time to put it down. Crackling sound आ रहा है cumin का. थोड़ा सा मैं और चलाऊँगा. No, it's fine. It's time to add onion. तो हम गोल्डन ब्राउन होने तक सौटे करेंगे. गोल्डन ब्राउन होने तक इसको हम कुक करेंगे. इसको स्टेयर करते रहना चाहिए क्योंकि फिर जले नहीं, अदरवाइज जल जाता है. टेक 1 to 2 minutes to get it brown होगा. मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं रखा है, नॉर्मली रखूँगा मैं, है ना, जिससे जले नहीं. जीरा cumin rice, jeera rice is very delicious treat. तो गोल्डन ब्राउन हो गया है. Now it's time to add this rice. राइस में थोड़ा सा मुझे पानी और डालना है. पानी is not sufficient. I have just taken some amount of water. That was not good to cook. I have to take more. It's time to add water. This much of water is fine. As per the requirement, I will put water. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine to. This much of water is fine. Right, so I would like to give a good stir. I would like to add this little bit of turmeric. Right, well, this is salt. This is as per the taste you will put it. It's not like कि जितना मैं डाल रहा उतना ही डालना है. As per the taste. And this is what, this is garam masala. So this much of garam masala is fine for this much of amount, right? So I would like to give a good stir. Fine. Now it's time to lock it down. I have locked it, and I will give 2 whistles on it so that it will get cooked properly, right? This is just आवाज आ रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है सीटिंग whistle होने ही वाला है. I'm just waiting for. I'm so excited to cook, and after that I will show you how it looks like. It's about to whistle. Come on, come on. It's about to get 1, 2, and 3. Wait for 10 minutes. It's time to unveil it. How's it going? Let's see. Oh, awesome. I would like to show you. Awesome, isn't it? Awesome. Okay, this much is good for me, so I'm going to eat. It's time to eat. It's time to take the results, right? This is the cumin rice I have made for myself. Awesome, yaar. Kya bolu? With this chana, right? I'm going to eat one more time. It's good. Yeah, it is so simple to make such a delicious food. जैसे मैंने बनाया है, जो थोड़ी इंग्रेडिएंट्स डाले हैं उसको तुम डालकर यार, so delicious. You don't need to go to, so मेरी माउथ कितनी वाटरी हो रही है. बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर मुंह में चल रहा है यार. मतलब I can't express in words, right? So it's so easy, it's so freaking easy to make it, and you can cook it and do whatever you want to do. So this is me signing off. Before that, yeah, subscribe for that. Subscribing is very important. Subscribe it and share it and like it. If you really like it. मेरी mouth इतनी watery हो रही है ना. If you really want to make this video to know every person, share it. If you really want to appreciate my work, like it. Have a great day, guys. Have a great day.